this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a border to a video inside of Premiere Pro. So the first thing you need to do is go over to the rectangle tool and select it on the menu screen. Then from here you need to add the rectangle tool onto your display and select the entirety of the clip. Then from here you need to go over to Essential Graphics, and if you don't see Essential Graphics, then you need to go over to Windows and scroll down until you see Effects Graphics right here. Then from here you need to select the shape. From here you need to go down until you see Fill and Stroke. Then you need to deselect the fill and select the stroke instead. And if you want to make the border a little bit bigger, then from here you need to go over to where it says 4, just select it and scroll to the right until your desired border. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!